Well, hey everybody, I just wanted to show you they're tearing up the sidewalk over there at the Sonic. When I drove by here earlier, I noticed that there you got one cop car there and one there, and you had sheriffs down at this end. You had students out underneath the trees. I hope they wasn't doing no drill, but it's over by the time I got here. And there's a big fire truck. They was involved some way, somehow. So I don't have a clue what they were talking about, but I do know when I see them tore up that concrete and loaded it up almost in less than 48 hours, they starting to work on the actual road that's going to be new poured concrete. But there he goes. Yeah, curious to see what that was all about. No telling. Alright, let me see. Well, no, if I pull down, you won't be able to see what I see. So, alright, I'll leave it there. But it does look like a big old empty space now that they got that building down with those drive-through canopies down. Oh, I did find out what, you see them working on the sides of the roads here. They're tying all these red lights in to the internet fiber, so all of these on this street, Jackson Street, and all that over there on Walmart, on that street over there, South Street, I think they call it. It's going to be where all of the street lights, in case they need them to work all at the same time and togetherness. That's what he said it was going to do. But I've been noticing that they've been doing the directional drillings. And they got this one marked out here too, but they ain't made it this far down. You see the red flags. All right, I'm gonna go on and see what I can find out.